What up, people? This is Money Karthik here. Welcome to another episode. In this episode, we're going to talk about apps that'll make you money. Let's take a look. I hope you're enjoying the content I'm posting on my channel. I'm getting pretty serious about this YouTube thing now. I used to post videos only once a while, but now I'm getting more frequent about it. At least every week I'm trying to post some good videos, good content that you guys will love. Let me know if you're liking the content that I'm posting on my channel, because your wish is my command and your feedback is what I'm going to be taking seriously. So please let me know in comments if you're actually liking my videos. That'll help me a lot, and you as well. So today let's take a look at some of the apps, yes, mobile apps that if you use will make you money. Okay, that sounds a little misleading to be honest, but the point is, if there are apps that can either make you money directly or help you make money by saving it or winning it in any other way, that's good enough. So let's take a look at the apps that will actually make you money. Okay, the number one is FOAP, FOAP, I think it's pronounced for FOAP or FAP, not FAP probably, but the thing is, if you're a photographer, which is basically anyone today with a phone, right? You and me, all of us are photographers. So you can make money selling your photos easily through this app. So here's how it works. You click photos, you upload them to this app and hope that someone buys it, like an agency or a publication. And of course, there are high chances that they do. So if they buy them, you get paid 50% of the price. Simple as that. So if they buy it for $100, you basically get $50. Sweet, isn't it? So try it out. The link is in the description. The second app is called Slide Joy. Can you guess what it is? Well, okay, here's a clue. An average iPhone user unlocks his or her phone 80 times a day by, that's right, sliding. So this app wants to place ads on your home screen. What? Why not? Once you install this app, ads start showing up on your home screen, and each time you slide up, you earn points called carrots. Once you slide up or interact with this ad, you earn a carrot or a point, and 1,000 carrots equal to $1. And SlideJoy pays you via PayPal or gift cards of various top retailers like Amazon and Google Play. It actually works. It's free money basically. Try it out, the link is in the description. The third one is called IPoll. Okay, the name should have given it away, right? Here's the thing. You are paid to take polls or surveys, but there's a catch. It's not always a simple poll like you see on Facebook. Like, you know, the things with yes or no or things like that. No, this is not such a simple poll. So these are basically called missions in the app, and you have to complete these missions. And they might include things like visiting a store, taking a picture of a product, trying out a new product, and things like that. And once you finish a mission, or once you complete a mission, you can actually get paid. So it's not super easy, but you get paid. That's the most important thing. That's what we are interested in, right? So there's also a catch there. So they don't also pay you in cash. They pay in vouchers, gift cards, etc. that you can use at major stores. And that's still good, right? Like, don't take my word for it. Go try it out and you see what I'm talking about. The link is in the description. The last one, the fourth one, is called Google Opinion Rewards. Yes, this one is from Google, and this is another product from Google that actually pays you other than AdSense, which all of us know about, right? So this is exactly what it sounds like. You get paid for your opinions, and all of us are opinionated these days, right? On social media, I like this, I don't like this, this is good, that is bad. So Google wants to know your opinion on things, and everything from TV shows to products, and pretty much everything is included in this program and this app. So they have a lot of interesting stuff there. What you need to do is go in there and share your opinions with these things. The more opinions you pass over to Google, the better it is, as in you get more chances of winning more cash. And you can pretty much keep using this app wherever you are, like, you know, from the bathroom or at work or in the bus or when you commute. So I think smartphone addiction is actually a good thing in this respect, I guess. Anyways, so the pay is actually good because you get up to $1 per survey, and that's pretty good. So $1 means 70 rupees, right? So check it out. It's from Google. The link is in the descriptions. I strongly suggest you check it out. Alright guys, so that's it for now. Go test out these apps and let me know if you like them or not, and if you think there is someone who might want to try these apps, just share this video with them. I very highly appreciate it. Oh, and by the way, I'm trying this new thing with my channel where I'm trying to put out new content that you might like. So I'm listening to your comments, I'm looking at each and every comment, which people say a lot of things on comments like, I like this video, I don't like this video, my sound is not working good, the video is not good, and stuff like that. I'm actually listening to a lot of your feedback, and it's actually helping me figure out what kind of content you guys like. So please keep those comments coming in. I heavily appreciate it. That's the kind of stuff I want to know from you guys through my comments. So please let me know in comments. This is Mani Karthik, signing off.